Assalamualaikum. My name is Tuan Muhammad Haikal bin Tuan Rasmadi. My metric number AA231702. So I will present about our group project. We choose a rice cooker for our project. Rice cooker is a kitchen essential comprising a main body with a heating element, a removable non-stick inner pot, a detachable lid with a steam vent, a control panel, and a temperature sensor. To cook rice, simply add rice and water, and the cooker boils the water, allowing the rice to absorb it before automatically switching to keep warm mode once cooking is complete. This appliance ensures precision cooking by maintaining the ideal temperature, preventing overcooking, and delivering perfect rice every time. It is incredibly easy to use. Just add the rice, turn it on, and let it cook. Additionally, the rice cooker keeps rice warm for serving and features easy to clean components, making it hide conveniently.
My name is Razvan Muslim Rosli. So we next to our part is outer body. As we know, rice cooker commonly made from a variable combination which is aluminium and plastic. For the plastic, the lightweight plastic are much lighter compared to material and aluminium, which is plastic is more lighter than aluminium. Secondly, durability. Plastic, the resistant compression and many chemicals, and aluminium strong and durable. And next, for the flexibility, plastic can be molded into a complex shapes. Meanwhile, aluminium naturally form a protective oxide layer. And next, cost for plastic is more cheap than aluminium. And then lastly, insulating properties for plastic is good for electrical insulator, and aluminium good conductor of electrical and heat. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Vishal Venkatesan and my matrix number is AA230928. So today I'll be discussing about lid of rice cooker. So the lid is crucial as in maintain temperature and pressure, ensures even cooking and prevent spillage. So the material used in lid must meet certain requirement. So they need to be heat resistant, durable, non-toxic for safe food contact. So commonly, three materials are used in construction of rice cooker lid. First, stainless steel. It is corrosion resistant, durable, and easy to clean. It is typically used for exterior and interior lining of the lid. The advantage of the stainless steel include its high tensile strength and resistant to rust and staining. So however, it does come with a higher cost. Second, tempered glass. This material is heat resistant and allow visibility so that you can monitor inside the rice cooker and without opening the lid. So it is used in central part of lid, and tempered glass is strengthened through heat treatment, so which is very resistant to thermal shocks. However, it can shatter if subjected is severe impact, like if got an impact from anything above the tempered glass, could be broke. Third, the silicone seal. It is flexible, heat resistant, and create a tight seal, which is essential for maintaining pressure inside the rice cooker. Silicone is stable at high temperature and non-reactive, but it can degrade if over time and with repeated uses. So in summary, each material has pro and cons, advantage and disadvantage. So our selection is based on balancing performance and requirement with cost consideration. Alright, now let's have a look on cost analysis. So stainless steel, especially SS304, costs between 9 ringgit to 14 ringgit per kilogram. Quite expensive. It is highly durable and low maintenance. Second, glass. GL123 causes like 5 to 9 ringgit and per kilogram, which is provide good visibility and throughout like requires careful handling. And third, silicon. Food grade silicon Si456 is the most expensive at 45 ringgit to 135 per kilogram, but offers excellent sealing and heat resistant properties. Let's have a look now for performance evaluation. So based on performance, stainless steel maintains its shapes and integrity under pressure and may withstand repeated heating cycles, making it very reliable although it's not flexible. Glass offers excellent visibility and heat resistant but can break if not handled carefully. Food grade silicon Si456 is highly flexible, providing an airtight seal that adapts to the pot rims and it maintains its properties under high temperatures. So, in conclusion, each material has unique and advantages. Stainless steel offers strength and durables. Glass provides visibility and heat resistant and thermal shocks. And food grade silicon ensures flexibility and reliable seal. So the choice depends on the specific needs of the rice cooker lid. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Waiman Syabir Omar and my number metric is AA2300724. Okay. So our product today is rice cooker. And so my component, I choose the electric component and the component is PCB. Okay. So the PCB is the generally is made up of the three elements that work together to make specific needs of the electronic system that we need copper, resin and fiberglass to make a PCB board, or we call it printed circuit board. Okay, so first of all we have a material that called copper. So what is copper? Okay, in so copper have a strength that approximately is 210 megapascal. It is a malleable and ductible and suitable for forming and various industrial application. Other than that, for the durability of this copper, it's high durable forming and a protective oxide layer that prevent further corrosion, and it's a good wear for resistant and it's as a deformation under the heavy mechanical loads. Okay. For recyclability, this is a recyclable item. Okay, because of it's have a retaining properties even after even or after the multiple recycling process. Okay, for the environmental assessment, I think the copper manufacturing emits a pollutants, but it, uh, sorry, the copper manufacturing emits a pollutant such as sulfur dioxide and it will be contribute to the acid rains. But however, copper is highly recyclability and has reduced waste of resource of the consumption. So, what is a copper function in this printed circuit board or PCB? So, it's a primary conductive material and is a main source to make the printed circuit board. Okay, that's a two. Okay. Now we go to our next item or materials. We call is resin or resin or epoxy resins. Okay, it's a work as a thermoset material and the tensile strength of 35 to 100 megapascals and it's depending of formulation and additive. Other than that, for the durabilities, epoxy resin is resistant to chemical, moisture and solvents with a good thermal stability and enhancing durability of harsh environments. Okay, next for the recyclability, epoxy generally ni um, doesn't not recyclable, and for the traditional sense or the technologically sense is not a recyclable item. So because of what, this resin it will cause the emission of violated organic compound. Okay, next we go to the fiberglass. The fiberglass is as a structure support of insulation. It have a high tensile and flexural strength. It's a resistant to the chemical and environment factors. And for the recyclability, fiberglass is more challenging to recyclable compared to the metal or resin, but it's not a impossible method. It's a possible because the process involves the grinding the material and using it as a filler in a various product, but it will emission of particular matter to the our future. Now we will go to the next slide. Okay, this is our performance evaluation for the. It will be separated to the three types we call tensile strength, durability, and flexibility. For the Cooper, it has a 210 megapascals and it has a good durability, and as I have said, it's a high flexibility. Also, with the resin, has a good durability and but low flexibility, and the tensile strength is 35 to 100 megapascal lah. Okay, the fiberglass is have a 345 and to the 4140 megapascal, and the durability is so excellent and flexibility is not because it's fiberglass. Okay, we can flexibility is doesn't have the flexibility lah. Okay, for the cost analysis, after my research, I have find that material cost of the three materials is all is different, and for the Cooper, it's cost $9.88 per kilo, and for resin is $80 per gallon, and fiberglass is $3.59 per kilo. That's for the material cost, just the material. But for the initial cost, the initial cost ni after processing to the material, not the processing of the making the PCB board. It's the processing after the material cost, after the material, after we get the material, after we find it. Okay, for the initial cost, it will cost the $2 for the Cooper. For the Cooper, it will cost $2 to $10 per ton. For resin, we it's a it's a chemical resin ni. This is chemical, so we put it in a liter. Okay, 55 euro to 75 euro, and for the fiberglass is cost 0.02 cents to 0.05 per square inch. Okay, for the processing cost, after the process and we make the PCB, the processing cost the Cooper is $3 to $6 per kilo, and resin is 150 to 250 euro, and fiberglass is up to $100 for a single pot. Okay. That's all from me for the electronic component. I will pass it to my partner. Bye.
My name is Tuan Muhammad Haikal bin Tuan Rosmadi. My metric number AA231702. So I will be presenting about heating element. The main component used in electric rice cooker heating element is aluminium because of its excellent heat conductivity, lightweight, toughness, and resistant to corrosion. Its plates, which are made of pure or alloy aluminium, it effectively transfer heat through electromagnetic induction. Their durability endures several heating cycles, and their lightweight design make them easier to handle. Aluminium's protective outside layer prevents corrosion and it is high recyclable. Copper boasts significantly higher thermal conductivity, ensuring more even and efficient heating in electric rice cooker, which leads to better cooking performance. Due to its superior conductivity, copper heating element can achieve the desired cooking temperature faster than aluminium. Additionally, copper can withstand repeated heating cycle without significant degradation. making it a durable choice for continuous use in cooking appliances due to its resistance to high temperature. Furthermore, copper is highly flexible and can be easily shaped and formed into complex design without breaking. It allows for versatile and innovative heating element design.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Namasara binti Nasri and my matrix number is 88231917. I'm going to present about rice cooker in a pot. A rice cooker in a pot can be made of either aluminium or stainless steel. However, aluminium is the most common type as it conducts heat very well, resulting in even cooking of rice and consistent texture throughout the pot. PTFE, also known by the brand name Teflon, is the most common type of non-stick coating on aluminium. It is a synthetic polymer that is very slippery and resistant to sticking. It is also resilient to shocks and impacts. Aluminium are highly recyclable and can be recycled repeatedly without degrading its inherent value. Stainless steel, on the other hand, has a lower thermal conductivity, so it is not as effective at conducting heat, resulting in uneven heat distribution. Despite that, it is still able to withstand high temperature without breaking. Moreover, it has a non-porous surface that prevents food from sticking, making it ideal for cooking delicate food. Compared to aluminium, stainless steel is a more durable option as it is able to withstand scratches, dents, and corrosion. An alternative material to stainless steel and aluminium that I would like to recommend is ceramic, as it is a natural material that is free from harmful chemicals. Ceramic has an excellent heat conductivity, ensuring even heating and consistent cooking. It is also very durable, sturdy, and does not rust easily. However, its recyclability is limited.
Ahmad Aminuddin bin Syed Amran, number matrix AA231149. So I will talk about the insulator or insulating component in the rice cooker. So firstly, the material of insulating component in rice cooker usually made by ceramic, mica and stainless steel or specific types of high temperature plastic. So the function of insulator is to make the heat accumulated in the rice cooker and can be stored for quite a long time. This insulator is often used in rice cooker because it can heat the rice and prevent the rice from going stale. So for the last one, the market price of the insulator is not too expensive because we can buy for $1 to $3 for one piece. Okay, so for the next slide, we have the material to make the insulator. So for the first one, we have stainless steel. For the second one, we have ceramic. For the last one, we have mica. So what is the property of the stainless steel? Stainless steel have a high strength. Stainless steel able to withstand scratch, dents, and corrosion, resulting in a long lifespan. Stainless steel have the heaviest weight compared to these three materials. For the ceramic have a low strength. Ceramic not be able to dent because it is very brittle and fragile. Ceramic weight can vary depending on the specific application and type of ceramic used. For the last one, mica have a medium strength. Mica cannot get corrosion and not too fragile, make it can last longer. Mica is generally lighter than stainless steel and ceramic due to its lower density and layered structure. So, if we want to make a product, of course, we need to find the material and process the material first. So, for the material that I find to make the insulator is ceramic, stainless steel and mica. For the ceramic, the production cost is $5 to $20 For the stainless steel, the production cost is $3 to $10. For the last one, mica, the production cost is 7.5 to $10. For ceramic, the processing cost is $2 to $10. For the stainless steel is $2 to $8. For the mica, same as stainless steel, which is $2 to $8. So we can find out here stainless steel have the lower or cheaper production cost between these two material. So the processing cost, ceramic is the most highest to make the processing. For the last one, we have disposal cost. For for these three material, the disposal cost is moderate for these three material. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.